JEE preparation tips. 5 most common mistakes to avoid in JEE mains and JEE advanced preparation. Hello, everyone. Fellow learners and future engineers. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Enlighten JEE, where we explore the exciting world of engineering and technology. Today we are going to talk about something crucial for all aspiring engineering students: 5 most common mistakes in JEE mains and JEE advanced preparation. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Starting the exam preparation. The first mistake many students make is delay the start of their preparation. Don't wait until the last minute. Start early, create a study plan, and stick to it. Consistency is key when it comes to preparing for these exams. Ignoring basics. Moving on to mistake number 2. Neglecting the basics. Remember, a strong foundation is essential. Ensure you have a clear understanding of the fundamental concepts in physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Don't rush through, take the time to build a solid base. Number 3. Lack of practice. Next up, the third mistake is not practicing enough. It's not just about studying theory, you need to solve a lot of problems and take mock tests regularly. Practice will not only improve your speed but also enhance your problem-solving skills, which are crucial during the exams. Number 4. Poor time management. Time management is a critical aspect, and that brings us to mistake number 4. Many students struggle with allocating time to different subjects or spending too much time on a single question. Practice time management during your preparation to ensure you're well prepared for the actual exam day. Number 5. Neglecting health. Last but not least, the fifth mistake is neglecting your health. Remember, a healthy mind resides in a healthy body. Make sure to get enough sleep, eat well, and take short breaks during your study sessions. It's important to maintain a balance to perform at your best. So, there you have it, 5 common mistakes to avoid in JEE mains and JEE advanced preparation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumb up and subscribe for more valuable content. Good luck with your preparation. See you in the next video.